Let me show you how to add a Google account to your Tecno Camon 50 Pro or 50 Ultra. So go into settings and scroll down and select users and accounts. Then here you want to tap on add account. Then select Google. Now you'll be asked to verify whether it's you using a PIN, password or pattern or whatever lock method you selected. So I'll verify myself. And then now you'll be asked to enter your email, the email that you want to use. So I'll enter mine. Then I'll tap on next. And now I'll be required to enter my password. So I'm going to do that quickly. Then I'll tap on next. And now I'll be asked to use two-step verification to verify myself. So use any of these methods that you want. You can use your phone number, the Google Authenticator app, or any other method. So select one to use. I'll select get a verification code. Then once I enter the code, I'm going to tap on next. Then now I'm going to agree to Google's terms. Tap on I agree. You can skip this to set it up later. Customize any options that are presented to you and then tap on accept. And now, as you can see, I've added a Google account to my Tecno Camon 50 Pro or 50 Ultra. Thanks for watching. Take care and God bless.